I got this big gap. What I've always had luck with was the thin super glue and wood shavings or sawdust. This Satellite City super glue, the thick, they call ultra gap filling. I don't know if they're talking about filling it clear or still put sawdust in. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm going to try and fill it clear. We'll let it soak in and then just layer it up, and then we'll let it dry overnight, because that would be cool to be able to fill it clear. And I'm not going to use the accelerator because I don't want it to get too hot and bubble. Alright, we're gonna see what this turns like. Looks like there's might be some voids in there still. We'll see how deep that glue went. I'm going to burnish it with this brown paper bag. That was the abrasive paste. So now I'm going to take some alcohol, now that it's smooth, and wash off the abrasive paste. So then I can put a coat of super glue on. I'm going to put on the thin CA glue, slow the lathe down so I don't get a face full of glue.